Hello everyone, take your hair, divide it into two parts. Now take both the parts of the hair and keep tying it in the form of plaits. When you are done tying the plaits, take the other half of the hair, tie ponytail. Then take that ponytail, divide it into two parts, tie plaits, give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands, roll those plaits upwards in the form of snail and the other plait around that snaily part of the hair with the help of a rubber band or a bobby pin just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two plaits. The first plait should be in the form of a ponytail. That ponytail should be in coordination with the lower parts of the hair as well by taking strands of hair from above and below just like this. Taking few strands of hair one at a time, and now when you are done taking the strands from above and beyond, tie all of them together just like this and reach the bottommost part of the hair and tie it with a rubber band. Decorate it as you wish. Take your hair, divide it into three parts. The first part should be equally divided into two. Now keep making plaits out of those two parts, and then when you are done making the hair loose, tie plaits again. The plate should look in layers with two consecutive parts. Now attach all of them together. Take the lower part, divide it into two, tie ponytails, crisscross it, and then you are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two plaits just like this. Divide it into two and then keep tying it in the form of plaits. By forming plaits, you should be very consistent and clear in your work because this may make or break your trust about hairs. Now, when you are making the plaits, make sure that you take only few strands of the hair from every corner because only few strands are needed. Just reach the bottommost part of your hair and then tie it with a rubber band. You can also decorate it. Take your hair, divide it into four parts. The upper two parts make ponytails out of them. Divide the lower part again in the form of a ponytail as the upper part. Then repeat the same process with the lower part of the hair as well. Make sure that it looks consistent. Now take the lower part and keep making it in the form of plaits. That complex plaits which our grandmothers used to do when we were small. When you are done making the plaited parts, reach the bottommost part of the hair and tie it with the help of a rubber band, just like this. Take your hair, divide it into two. Make simple two plaited parts, tie it with a rubber band, crisscross it to the upwards directions, tie it and secure it with the help of a bobby pin. You are done here. Thank you for watching.